Are you tired of your large spools toppling over mid-project? We've all tried different methods, like placing the spool in a mug, in front of the machine, or even on the floor. But we have a solution for you. The Janome 2 Spool Stand for Oscillating Hook Models provides stability for your large spools. This spool stand is so easy to install and attaches to your machine without screws. Simply line up the spool pins on your machine with the large or small holes on the spool stand and snap in place. Now it looks like it's part of your machine. This spool stand comes with 2 spool holders, one for threading your machine and the other for winding your bobbin. This way you don't have to unthread your machine. If you'd like to store your machine, simply lower the thread guide. No more messy tangles or wasted thread. With this spool stand, focus on your creativity and let the spool stand work for you. Visit your local Janome dealer to get yours today.